Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview AquaChek sodium bromide test strips. What is AquaChek sodium bromide test strips? AquaChek sodium bromide test strips give pool owners a way to check the level of their sodium bromide sanitizer in their pool, which protects your pool against bacteria and other harmful organic compounds. These strips are easy to use and let you avoid handling messy liquid reagents, providing you with accurate results that will make any adjustments hassle-free. Product benefits: check pools for the level of sodium bromide sanitizer. Maintaining proper levels protects pools against bacteria and other harmful organic compounds. Strips are hassle-free and easy to use. Usage directions. Step 1. Fill a small vial, not included, with about 1 inch of pool or spa water. Step 2. Remove one strip from the bottle and replace the cap immediately. Step 3. Insert the lower end of the strip into the water. Keep the top half of the test strip completely dry to get an accurate reading. Step 4. Leave strip in water until the test is complete, when the yellow band turns dark, about 3 to 4 minutes. Step 5. Obtain your sodium bromide concentration. Note where the top of the white peak falls on the number scale. Read the top of the peak to the nearest 0.2 division. Locate the sodium bromide concentration next to that reading in the table below. Keep cap tightly sealed between uses and store at room temperature. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.